Ever wonder how top CEOs stay ahead? Their secret? Precision, well-orchestrated planning. It's like having a superpower that unlocks extraordinary results so they can get a lot done. And guess what? You can tap into that same power starting today. So get ready to level up your planning game. Imagine this, you wake up feeling energized, crystal clear about what you need to accomplish. Not overwhelmed, just laser focus. That's how it feels to plan like a CEO. It's about taking control of your day before it takes control of you. We're not talking about rigid schedules here that tries to tie you down without any flexibility. It's about creating a roadmap that fuels your productivity and sparks your creativity. Think of it as designing your ideal day, where every task, every meeting, every decision moves you closer to what you're aiming for. Now, let's dive into the techniques that you can use to conquer your days and to get the most done with the time available. One of the main strategies CEOs use for high-level planning, it's all about balance. Think of your day like a beautiful pie chart. You've got your running the business slice, your people and culture slice, and let's not forget that juicy long-term strategy slice. But here's the key, we're also carving out space for learning and relationships. Because top executives know that personal growth and strong connections fuel their success. This isn't just about work-life balance. It's about creating a life you love across all areas, and ensuring your plans take in consideration of all major aspects in your life. So, grab your daily life pie chart and let's start slicing. Ever feel buried under a mountain of tasks? Top executives have a form of prioritization weapon called the top 5 rule. Here's how it works. Each day, identify the 5 most important tasks that will move the needle in your business or life. Not 10, not 20, just 5. These aren't just any tasks, they're your non-negotiables, high-priority tasks. The ones that, when accomplished, will make you do a victory dance. By focusing on your top 5, you eliminate non-important tasks and prioritize what truly matters. This will help you to unlock laser focus and direct your energy where it's most needed as you go through your day. Let's banish that overwhelming feeling and conquer those action items, one top 5 at a time. Next, we're going to look at a technique that's a key component for any leader. Delegate to elevate. Here's a truth bomb. You don't have to do everything all by yourself. Top executives understand the power of delegation. It's not about offloading tasks, it's about empowering your team to shine. Think of yourself as a conductor, leading an orchestra of various talents in the symphony. Identify each person's strengths and delegate tasks that play to their skills. This frees you up to focus on your zone of genius and tackle the things only you can do. Remember, delegation is an investment in your team and a catalyst for growth. So give your team the opportunity and watch your team soar. Now let's beat procrastination in 5 minutes. We've all been there, staring at a task, having that familiar wave of procrastination wash over us. But CEOs utilize the 5-minute rule to combat this feeling and stick with the plan they created. Here's how you can do it too. Set a timer for just 5 minutes and commit to working on that task, even if you don't feel like it. Often, that initial push is all you need to break through the resistance and get into a flow state. So when you're really struggling, this helps you to add some pressure into your mind to get things started with the comfort that you're just going for 5 minutes. You can use this time to go through your emails, for you to do some phone calls, or even read through that document you've been putting off. Set that timer, silence your phone, and watch those minutes of focused action turn into hours of productivity. Now let's look at a technique called uninterrupted innovation. Top executives know that innovation requires space to think, to dream, to connect the dots, and to create the way of how to make it through their day. That's why it's crucial to schedule periods of uninterrupted time to do this focused planning. This is your moment to brainstorm, to strategize, to tap into your creative genius. Turn off notifications, close your inbox, and find a space where you can let your mind wander. Jot down ideas, sketch out plans, and watch as those aha moments start to flow. You might even be able to think of ways how you can action a task more efficiently, to save more time so you can get other things done. Remember, innovation thrives in an environment of clear, focused attention. Carve out that sacred space and watch your brilliance unfold. Here's a hard truth. You can't pour from an empty cup, so don't expect to still be getting adequate output when you're tired and drained. CEOs understand the importance of setting boundaries to prevent burnout. It's about creating clear lines between work time and personal time. So set dedicated hours for silencing work calls after a certain time, and prioritizing self-care. Taking breaks isn't a luxury, it's an investment in your well-being and your ability to show up fully. Set those boundaries, protect your energy, and watch your productivity and happiness soar. As your day winds down, you should end it with clarity. Spend a few minutes reflecting on your accomplishments and setting your priorities for tomorrow. This simple practice clears mental clutter and sets you up for a productive and focused start to the next day. Jot down your wins, acknowledge your efforts, and create a clear roadmap for success. Ending your day with intention paves the way for a smoother, more fulfilling tomorrow. Congratulations, you've just unlocked the secrets to planning your day like a top executive. Give this video a like if you found the content insightful or helpful, and to help the channel out. Planning is not about taking action in perfection, it's about making progress while following the motion you set out. Start by implementing one or two of these strategies and watch how they transform your ability for planning and overall improvement in your life. Let us know which of these techniques you found most insightful by leaving a comment below. You have the power to create your ideal day, to achieve your biggest goals, and to live a life you love. Hit that subscribe button for us to continue bringing you mind elevation tips and secrets, so you can embrace the elite mindset and start making groundbreaking plans. Because we are Elite Elevation.